am Urmil Joshi from Ardent Progressive School, Lamachor. So students, we were discussing our next unit, that is fourth unit, and the chapter today we will discuss a little fish story. So students, you all must have seen so many fish in the water or in the seas also. So students, there are different shapes and sizes of fish. So you all must have seen small fishes, big fishes, so many shapes and sizes are there of fish. So this is the story of a small fish, very little fish, a little fish story, and this story is written by Enos B. Comstock. The writer of the story is Enos B. Comstock, and this is the picture of a fish. This is the picture of a little fish whose story today I will explain you. So students, there is nothing about your size. Okay, if we are having small size, we should be happy with that. And if we are having large size or any big size, so we should be happy for that also, because these are the blessings of God. ये सब क्या है? भगवान का आशीर्वाद है, and this will be helpful in our life. ये हमारी लाइफ में जरूर कहीं ना कहीं हमें help करेगा. Our size. Okay, so this is the story of a little fish who is very unhappy. Who is very unhappy because he is very small size. It is very small size fish. That's why it is very unhappy. So I am first reciting the story, and after that I will explain you one by one all the paragraphs. So take out your book, 38 number page, A Little Fish Story. There are a great many million fish in the seas, but this story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented, but he was not happy. You will laugh when I will tell you why he was not. He was unhappy because he was so very small. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he would say over and over again. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be. And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. One day he was swimming along the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. When suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its hull was being emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool, clear water. How good it felt! He swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. So, there are a great many million fish in the seas. So students, you all must have seen fish in the seas. So in this story also, there are many million. Million word we are using for a large amount. Product of thousand and thousand is million. So there were so many fishes, and million fishes were there in the seas. But this story is about the story of a little fish. Just one of them. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented, but he was not happy. So in the sea and in his life, in the life of a fish, he was satisfied with his life. and he has everything, but he was not happy. He was not happy. He was not happy with his. You will laugh when I will tell you why he was not happy. Why the fish was not happy, I will tell you. He was unhappy because he was so very small. So this fish has everything in the sea. But he was not happy just because of his small size. अपने छोटे आकार की वजह से ये खुश नहीं थी. But he was everything. He was satisfied in the sea. और वो समुद्र में खुश थी, संतुष्ट थी. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish, he would say over and over again. So now the fish was saying that it is very difficult. It is very difficult to be very small. And if I were larger, अगर मैं बड़ी होती, so how much happier I could be. So he was thinking that, and he is believing that if the size of the little fish might be larger, so he will be very happy. One day when he was swimming along with his group, अपने जब group के साथ, school word is used for group, a group of fish. If we are talking about group of fish, we will call school. So when one day he was swimming, the little fish was swimming with his group and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. When suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves in the meshes of a great net. So what happened at the same time? The larger fish, they all caught in the wire of net. In the wire of net, a network of wire, in a great net. They all caught there. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its hull was being emptied into the boat. So what happened at the same time? There was much floundering. Floundering means they all were struggling because they all were caught in the net. They all were caught in a big net. And they all were struggling to move out, to come out, and splashing. And वो क्या करने लगी? छींटे मारने लगे और फड़फड़ाने लगी. As the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight, and at the same time the net was drawn, pulled out from the water into the sunlight, into the sunlight, and just as its hull was being emptied into the boat, and at the same time the carriage was being removed into the boat, and the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool, clear water. How good it felt. So at the same time, what happened? When the net was emptied into the boat, at the same time the smallest fish, just because of his small size, came out from the net. वो net से बाहर आ गई. He moved, twist and turned. He moved, twist and turned. वो घूमी और वो वहाँ से बाहर निकल गई just because of his small size. And he went back into the cool water of the sea. और वो समुद्र के ठंडे पानी में वापस चली गई. How good it felt. Now he was feeling very good because the larger size fish were in the net only, and the smallest size of fish, the little fish, came out from the net. He swam here and there and everywhere. Now he was free to move here and there, and he was swimming in the water, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. Now all the fish, those were present in the sea, in the water, was saying that they will never heard from little fish that his size is very small, and he will be happy all throughout his life. So this was the story of a little fish who was very unhappy just because of his small size. But when all large size fish were caught in the network of wire, but just because of small size of little fish, he turned and twisted and came out from the net of wire. उसने क्या करा, वो घूमी और वो वहां से बाहर निकल आई. क्यों निकल आई? क्योंकि उसका साइज बहुत छोटा था, और वो छोटा साइज होने की वजह से, आकार छोटा होने के कारण वो आराम से जाल में से बाहर निकलकर ठंडे पानी में आ गई. नाउ द फिश वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. Now the fish was very happy, and he came to know that his size is the blessing of God. The size is the blessing of God, and we should be happy with what we have. जो हमें भगवान ने दिया है आशीर्वाद के रूप में, उसे हमें स्वीकार करना चाहिए. Now we will write word meanings. So first word is million. M-I-L-L-I-O-N, million. Million is a very large amount. Product of thousand and thousand, and this is a very large amount. Second word is contented. C-O-N, T-E-N-T-E-D. Contented means satisfied. The little fish was satisfied in the sea. Third word is meshes. M-E-S-H-E-S. So meaning of meshes is a network of wires. A network of wires. Emptied. Emptied means khali karna, removed. Next is floundering. Floundering means to move awkwardly. Floundering means struggling or to move awkwardly. अजीब तरीके से मूव करना. Next is wriggled. W-R-I-G-G-L-E-D. Wriggled. Wriggled means come out with quick movements. बहुत तेजी से बाहर आना. Haul means H-A-U-L. Haul means quantity of something. Haul means quantity of something. Now last is school. And school is a group of fish. So students, you all know that plural of fish will be fish only. If we will talk about the same species, अगर हम एक ही जाति के बारे में बात करेंगे, you will say fish only. If some other species are there, you can say, or you may say fishes. If you will talk about species of fish, then you will say fishes. And for the same species, you will say fish only. Now, question number 1 is, how many fish are there in the sea? So in the sea, there were many million fish. So you will write the answer. There are a great many million fish in the sea. And the next question number 2 is, why was the little fish unhappy? So you all know why the little fish was unhappy? Just because of his size. अपने छोटे साइज, स्मॉल साइज की वजह से वो नाखुश थी. So the little fish, you will write from the here. The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small. Now the next question is, what happened to the fish one day? So one day while swimming, when he was swimming with group of fish or school, while he was swimming, he got trapped in the net. He got trapped in the net. So you will write the answer from the question. One day the fish got trapped in the net while he was swimming with other fish. Now the question number 4 is, why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? So why the little fish was thankful to be a little fish or small size? Because just because of his size, he could escape. He could escape from the net. वो अपने आप को जाल से बचा पाई क्योंकि उस साइज में छोटी थी and he came out from the net easily. So you will write the answer. The fish was thankful to be a little fish as he could escape from the net. Escape मतलब बचाना. So as he could escape from the net only because of his small size. अपने स्मॉल साइज की वजह से, छोटे आकार की वजह से उसने अपने आप को बचा लिया और वो नेट से बाहर आ पाई. सो दैट्स व्हाई द लिटिल फिश वाज थैंकफुल just because of his small size and he escaped himself from the net. So now in your book you will do page number 40, word building. Question number 1, that is word building in your book. Now this question you will do in your book. From the video you will write answers. So first question is, look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. So pattern is just like look. The word is look. L-O-O-K, look. And by adding ed, you will write like this. L-O-O-K, look, and you will add ed, looked. This is the past tense of look. ये look का past tense है, looked, मतलब देखा. So this is the pattern. You have to write all these words by adding ed. आपको क्या करना है? By adding ed. आपको ed add करना है. So first word is look, looked. Second is P-I-C-K, pick. Now you will write picked by adding ed. Next word is bark, B-A-R-K, bark. Now you will add ed and it will become barked, B-A-R-K, bark, ed, barked. Next is want, W-A-N-T, want. So by adding ed, it will become wanted. Next word is talk, T-A-L-K, talk. So you will add ed, talked. Next is wish, W-I-S-H, wish. Wished. You will write by adding ed, it will become wished. Next, seventh is pull, P-U-L-L, pull. Hold and move towards you, and the meaning will be pulled. The last is help, H-E-L-P, help. H-E-L-P-E-D, helped. Like this you will write by adding ed in all the words. Look, looked, pick, picked, bark, barked, want, wanted, talk, talked, wish, wished, pull, pulled, help, helped, helped. So these are the verbs and these are in present tense and these are in past tense. By adding ed, it will become past. Okay? जब हम इसमें ed ऐड करेंगे तो ये past tense हो जाता है, यानी जो हो चुका. Now, next question is question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. Now you have to fill the right word. आपको right word fill करना है. So here I am telling you how you will fill the right word from the box. A glass of water. In the first, you will write a glass of water. A glass of water. Next, you will write a box of matches. Matches means helium. Matchbox. Matches. Next is a sheet of paper. A sheet of paper. Fourth is a bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers. For the group you will use bunch and flowers. Next is a herd of cows. Collective noun herd you will use for cows. And the last is a pack of wolves. Again you will use pack word for wolves. Collective noun herd you will use for cows and pack you will use for wolves. Now like this you will write the right word from the box in the given blanks. So first you will write a glass of water, because in all the words glass we will use for water, to drink water, and box we will use for matches, matches की तीलियां. Sheet of paper, bunch of flowers, because we use bunch word collective noun for flowers. Herd of cows we are using for cows, herd, collective noun for the group. Wolves for wolves you will use pack, a pack of wolves. So now today I have explained you a little fish story, explanation, word meanings, question answers and book exercise. So now you will do both the book exercise question in book only and rest of the work in notebook. So you will write it in your notebook and book you will do it. So we will meet you soon in our next video. Take care till then. Bye.